Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode is the cool one right here, and basically what this is, events right here. So pretty much what this is a premium aux cable extension cord. So you guys actually extend like the aux cable if you guys want it to be longer. And for the one that we got right here is a 6.5 feet. They do have like longer ones or shorter ones. So depending on how long or how short you guys need, you definitely want to do your own research. But this is basically what it looks like on this side. And here's what it looks like on this side right here. And then for the one that we got right here is from the brand called Syncwire. But first thing first, I'm actually opening the product to show you guys what's actually included inside first. Alright, so when you guys first open it up, you guys can see that this is basically what it looks like inside. Let's take it out. So first thing you see inside, they do provide a user guide to teach you guys how to use the product and how to maintain it. And then right here we have the actual cable, if you can see. So this part right here, you guys want to plug in your aux cable, and this side right here, you can plug it into your device. So whether you want to put it in your computer, your smartphone, or somewhere else, you can definitely plug it in right there. And then in terms of cable right here, it is nylon braided, so it definitely is super high quality. So no matter how many times you guys bend it, it won't break as easily compared to like TPE material. This part right here is aluminum, and then this part right here is gold plated. So you definitely see that they do use high quality material to actually make the cable and everything else, which is pretty awesome. And then in terms of the material that they use inside the cable, it's definitely high quality material as well. So that way you guys get like a hi-fi sound, really good audio, and the connectivity of the actual cable would definitely be pretty good compared to other cables as well. But that is basically everything that's on the cable. Let me actually untangle it to show you guys how long is it. So when we untangle it, you can see that's really long. It's so long that I probably can't fit the whole entire screen if I extend it all the way. So when you guys actually feel the cable, it doesn't feel like it's super thick or like super big or anything, but it's thick enough for you guys to get that protection on here. And you see once we open up the cable, it's not like tangle up or anything because the way how they designed the cable is tangle free. But this is basically what the cable looks like right here. Let's actually test it out and see how it works. So for this test, I'm gonna use the iPhone to aux cable outlet right here, if you can see, to test it out from my iPhone right here. So I want to plug this side inside right here first. So just like this. And then basically for the other side, I want to plug it onto my speaker. So I have my speaker and my cable all set right here. And the cable that we have right here is also by the Syncwire brand. So I just want to plug it inside right here. Just like that. Alright, so we have the cable all plugged in. If you can see it's really long. I can't show you guys in the whole entire screen. But let's test it out. But definitely see and hear the product definitely does work. It definitely gives you guys that really clear audio, the hi-fi sound, and also the connectivity on here is really good, so you don't have to worry about losing the connection or anything when you guys use the cable. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now that we do unboxing and testing of the product, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this product, I would definitely have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want one and need one of these, especially if your aux cable is like not long enough or if your product is not long enough. Then you definitely want to get one of these cables to extend it longer. So for example, if you guys need to plug in like a cable to your TV onto your speaker, but your speaker is like really far away, then definitely get one of these aux cables to actually extend to make it longer, so that way it's actually reach the speaker if you guys need to. Especially if you guys don't have like a Bluetooth speaker, then you definitely want to get one of these in that situation. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't need one or have one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else you actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.